I woke up today with one crazy thought. What if I could create unlimited original cinematic shorts, the kind that go viral like Zack D films, but spend exactly $0? Sounds impossible, right? But here's the twist. It actually worked. Now, if you don't know Zack D films, imagine the Elon Musk of YouTube Shorts. A 50-plus person team, animators, editors, pro designers, and rumor says he spends nearly $3,000 per 60-second video. Doing that consistently has earned him 53+ billion views. Insane. Respect. But here's the reality. Most creators don't have $3,000 to burn on a single video. I don't, and if you're watching this, you probably don't either. So instead of complaining, your boy Chase Brooks went full mad scientist. I tested every free AI tool I could find, broke some, fixed some, rewrote prompts 50 times, until I unlocked the perfect combination. And today I'm giving you the entire system, the blueprint for recreating that same cinematic magic for zero money. Step 1. The idea and script. Before anything else, you need an idea strong enough to hook a viewer in the first second. Here's exactly what I do. Method 1. AI Idea Generator. In the video description, I've added a full doc with every prompt I use. Open it, copy prompt 1, paste into ChatGPT. This prompt makes ChatGPT generate 10 cinematic short stories based on real events, real emotions, real mysteries, real historical moments. Pick the one that hits you hardest, that's your short. Now go back to the doc, copy prompt 2, and paste it into ChatGPT. That prompt creates your full script plus a visual breakdown for every scene, so you get your story and your shot list in one go. Method 2. The viral reverse engineering method. This is where most creators fail. They start from scratch. Big mistake. Instead, pick a viral Zack D films video, hit share, copy link, drop it into a free transcript extractor, click get transcript. Paste that transcript into ChatGPT. Add the custom rewrite prompt, which is also in the doc. This prompt transforms the pacing, the tone, the structure, into a brand new, original story that feels cinematic but is entirely unique. Then use the second half of the prompt to generate the cinematic scene descriptions, lighting, camera angles, mood, everything. Boom, your script is ready. Step 2. Create images with Nano Banana AI. Now we turn the script into visuals. Take the first scene description from ChatGPT, paste it into Nano Banana, hit generate your first scene, appears in seconds. But there's one annoying flaw. Nano Banana sometimes messes up the aspect ratio. Easy fix, upload a blank 9:16 reference image, tell Nano Banana to maintain that shape. It'll rebuild the scene in perfect vertical format, clean the image if needed using any free Windows editor, remove Nano Banana logos, crop, resize. Repeat for every scene, scene 2, 3, 4, until you have your entire set. Step 3. Voiceover with ElevenLabs. Now your visuals need a voice. Go to ElevenLabs, paste your script, pick a voice. Male, female, deep, mysterious, whatever matches, your story. Hit generate, and in seconds, you get studio quality narration. If you ever run out of free credits, use any of the other free TTS tools. They're almost as good. Step 4. Animate everything with Grok. This is where things get crazy. Grok turns your static AI images into full cinematic animated scenes. And yes, you get 10 to 20 free animations per day. That's plenty. Upload the first image, Grok auto-animates it instantly, but here's the pro trick. Add a short scene description like slow dolly in shot, camera rising through fog, soft moonlight flicker. This makes the animation 10 times more accurate. Grok even adds subtle movement, ambient sound, cinematic background music. Upload the rest of your images, add micro prompts, and boom, you're building a full movie sequence. Step 5. Final edit in CapCut. Time for the magic blend. Open CapCut. Drop all Grok videos onto your timeline. Add your ElevenLabs voiceover right under it. Align everything. Each scene matches the line of narration. Transitions flow smoothly. Add captions for retention. Add subtle cinematic sound effects if you want extra punch. By the end, you have a cinematic short, animated, voice-acted, fully original, created for $0. And once you master this workflow, you can produce 5 to 10 videos a day easily. This free tutorial already gives you everything you need to start today. And before you go, don't forget to check out the doc where I've added the full prompt and all the tools I used in this video. The link is in the description.